Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share the top 3 websites for finding free stock images and videos. You can use them without any copyright issues, so let's get into it. The first one is Unsplash.com. The website provides free high-resolution stock photography images from a community of photographers. You can easily pick one and download it. Next up is Pixabay.com. It is a website that offers free royalty-free stock media including photos, illustrations, videos, music and more. You can easily download and use it. The last one is Mixkit.co. Mixkit is a free gallery of stock video clips with no watermark, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates. You can easily download and use it on your project. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.